Okay, so here we go again. More projects on the ranch. Gonna build a round pen. This is all the stuff I have. Bunch of 1x, 4x4 posts, concrete, post hole digger, all the junk that goes with it. And of course, we're low riding. Good times. So my daughter wants a 60-foot pen. I couldn't find the tape measure longer than 10 feet, so that's what I've done. I've measured out my string at 3 10-foot segments, and I'm just gonna drag it around, drop a flag. Again, I have no plan for this whatsoever, but here goes nothing. All right, got my perimeter marked out. It's hard to see the little flags, but we got all the flags. Again, close enough is good enough for me.
This is the reluctant rancher. He's very reluctant and tired. Okay, Tony, explain to us what you just did.
I just used an auger to dig a hole. The auger dug the hole, I didn't do anything.
Okay, go! I'm recording! I'm recording!
Do a new one.
Ah! Presley! Oh.
Oh, look. Here we are, we're all out here getting the post put in. Sarah's just setting another post up, and I got to get her some more posts, but it's starting to take shape. Again, reluctant rancher doesn't expect perfection. Good enough is good enough.
It's taking shape.
It's taking shape. All right, here's the next part. We're getting the concrete just put out right now. Oh, okay. I'm taking a break while my much younger daughter.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
How do I do this?
You pick them up.
I'm not gonna put this on YouTube.
Yep. For all 3 of my subscribers to watch. Oh, wow.
2 of them. Are you serious right now?
What are you doing right now?
I don't know.
You being 2 of them. You're only 1. Presley's the other.
Yeah.
All right. All right, we'll pick this up again as soon as we start pouring.